And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, big upper trough dropping into the west. When you drop a trough in the western U.S. with a lot of cold air, you pump up a ridge in the east. It's like a teeter-totter or shaking a rope. If there's a trough on one side, there's going to be a ridge on the other. And embedded in the trough that's deepening here, you've got several disturbances, little pieces in the trough. One here, one back here. There's another one back here towards Alaska, and they all have to rotate through. And the trough will continue to deepen a little bit until all three of these pivot through. And each one brings severe weather outbreaks. And this is one of them. You can see all the warnings and watches from Nebraska to Texas. We had a big outbreak, what was it, a couple days ago? No, yesterday we had a big outbreak in the plains too, from Iowa down to Texas. Every one of these kicks off severe weather. It's warm and unstable here, it's colder back here, and this is the train track. And eventually, as the trough deepens, the axis of severe weather will begin to slowly shift eastward. And as it shifts eastward, our risk of getting some severe weather will go up come next week. 85 for the high tomorrow. Now there could be a couple showers and storms in the morning as the warm front goes through, and behind that warm front you can see the warmth we're going to have tomorrow with the south wind, and then maybe an isolated storm or two in the evening. 82 to 87 for highs, warmest day of the year so far. You can see the summer-like warmth viewing area wide, and a little bit humid too. 71 to 75 Friday, so showers, a couple thunderstorms move in tomorrow night, last into Friday morning, and then we get some clearing Friday afternoon. Lows near 67, but then we go back to 74 by mid-afternoon Friday, and there are your highs in the low to mid-70s over the area. There is Futurecast. Again, watch the warm front coming northward right here tonight. Just a few spotty showers and storms, or at the very least isolated showers and storms as that moves north. Then it's dry, and then watch for just a couple random isolated storms later on tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, the showers and a few storms come in from the west. Here we are Friday morning. They jet out of here on Friday afternoon, and then we dry out and have a pretty nice Saturday. But rainfall is going to add up. For most of the area, it's like 2/10 to like 7/10 for most of us. There'll be a few places that get a little bit less up here. Some places may get up to 3/4 right in the eastern part of our viewing area. So Saturday's dry. Saturday night, Sunday morning, a few showers and storms, but then look at next week, round one. Here comes another round of storms. Here comes another round of storms, and then a final round of storms on Thursday, and each one will have some severe weather risk with them. This is marginal risk or isolated severe Saturday night, Sunday morning. This is more like slight to enhanced risk impacting us Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week. So keep that in mind, just more active next week and some locally heavy rainfall. 76 Saturday, 80 on Sunday, a couple morning showers and storms linger. Then it's stormy off and on next week as that big trough pivots eastward. 84 Tuesday, 84 Wednesday. And then once we get into that trough, the colder air, how about highs only in the low to mid 60s Friday and Saturday?